Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we have some run glitches. We've got freebies and overages. So before we get started, y'all know the drill. If you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright, now first up, I do want to go ahead and remind everybody that I have already uploaded the new clearance markdowns and penny list information video for this week at Dollar General. I did upload that video yesterday morning, and in that video we talk about all the craziness that happened with last week's clearance list, plus we have new clearance markdowns. We've got some 90% off items, so lots of good stuff in that video, so make sure that you go and check it out. I'm going to have it linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Alright, so now we're going to jump right into these glitches that we have right now at Dollar General. But first, I do want to go ahead and warn you guys, please make sure that you watch the video all the way through, because if you skip through the video, you might miss out on some very important information. And for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time. So it is very important when you are in the store to scan each and every item with your Dollar General app to make sure that those digital coupons are still attaching. And also you want to scan each item to price check, because prices do vary from store to store. Now, in this video, you guys are going to see a couple of deals which do include overages. So I need to add a couple more things here just so that everybody is aware. When we have deals with overage, you never, ever, ever, ever let the cashier give you cash back. Even if they are like insisting, oh, it's okay. No, I'm going to give you this money. Do not let them do it. Always add something into your transaction, and that way your overages will apply to that item, and then you can just pay out the remaining balance. Now, the second thing that y'all need to remember is when we have overages, if you are at a store with a new gen register, meaning it is completely touchscreen, it kind of looks like a self-checkout, or if you go through the self-checkout, you will not get those overages. The coupon will just simply make that item completely free, which is fine. But if you still have a store in your area which has the older registers, I would definitely go there and take advantage of these overages while we have them. And of course, if you guys have any questions, just leave it down in the comment section below and I will be happy to help. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at these deals. Alright, so first up, we have this 50% off one digital coupon for the Old Spice deodorants. This coupon is glitching, and it is working on the travel-sized Old Spice deodorants. These are priced at $1.10. So after the coupon, you're going to pay just 60 cents. But be aware, you may not want to clip this coupon to your account, because we do have an even better deal with this 5 off 3 Old Spice digital coupon. So if you do not clip that 50% off one coupon, go into the store and pick up a total of 3 of the Old Spice travel size deodorants at $1.10 each. Then make sure you have this 5 off 3 digital coupon clip to your account, and that is going to make all 3 completely free, plus give you $1.70 in overage. So again, this is what I'm doing. I'm going to pass on clipping the 50% off one digital coupon. For now, I will save that for my 5 off 25s. That will make a great filler item for Saturday. But I'm going to go ahead and clip this 5 off 3 to my account, run out to the store today and do this deal and take advantage of this overage while we have it. And I also want to say that this is definitely a run glitch deal. They will most likely fix this pretty soon, because the last couple of times that we have had this same exact glitch right here, it's only lasted a few days. And I myself have missed out on this deal, because I thought, well, you know what, this is a PNG glitch and those usually stick around for a while. So I thought those would be there on Saturday, but nope. When Saturday rolled around, they had already fixed this specific glitch right here. So go ahead, run out to DG today, pick up 3 of the travel size deodorants, and take advantage of that $1.70 in overage. Grab a gallon of milk, a loaf of bread, some bath tissue, whatever you need for your household, and that way you'll get an additional $1.70 off of that second item. All right, now let's talk about this second glitch. We do have a new 3 off 2 digital coupon for the Crest and Oral-B products. This coupon is glitching and working on the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrushes that are priced at just $1. So if you pick up 2 of those, use this 3 off 2 digital coupon, that is going to make 2 toothbrushes completely free, plus give you $1 in overage. Now for this glitch, I do not consider this to be a run glitch deal because typically when we have the Oral-B and Crest glitches, those tend to stick around until the coupons expire. So I don't consider this one a run glitch. So if you do want to save this coupon for your Saturday scenarios, I think you're perfectly safe to do that. But if you're out at DG today and you want to go ahead and get the 3 travel size deodorants plus 2 of the toothbrushes, that's going to give you $2.70 in overage. All right, and now I'm going to throw in one more glitch for you in this video. We did receive a new 1-off-1 digital coupon on the Crest mouthwash. This coupon is glitching working on the Crest travel size mouthwash that are priced at $1. So pick up one of those, use this 1-off-1 digital coupon, and that is going to make it completely free. All right, guys, so there you have it. 3 awesome glitch deals that y'all can do at Dollar General today. But I want you all to keep in mind that you have to come back and check out my channel here in just a couple of hours because I'm going to have our regularly scheduled new coupons and glitches video up soon. I already have all the work done. I have been up since like 4 a.m. this morning, going through coupons, finding all the deals, all the sales, all the information. So you definitely do not want to miss out on that video. And the reason why I'm telling you guys this is usually when I upload more than 1 video a day, the second one doesn't do as well. And I do want to go ahead and give y'all a heads up. I believe I am at a total of 13 glitches. So these 3 right here in this video, these are just the tip of the iceberg, so you definitely want to come back and watch that second video. And just in case you're new here, the thumbnail will look something like this right here. I do upload a new coupons and glitches video every single Sunday morning, going over all the best deals. You guys can see exactly what I'm clipping to my account, and you guys can see which coupons I don't clip to my account. So make sure that you put that on your calendar and check back with me every single Sunday. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for me for now. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I wish each and every one of you good luck running out today and getting in on these glitch deals. Now before you go, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure that your notifications are turned on. That way you don't miss out on any awesome deals like this one right here. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.